everyone, it's Natasha Red here. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know you guys have been missing the episodes, so I'm very grateful for that. For those of you who didn't know, my aunt passed away, and so that's why I was gone for a little bit. And I was planning on filming a video in between time for you guys. I was initially going to do a facts about my royals video, but that is actually going to take a little bit more time than I anticipated. So instead, I am giving you this video, and I know you're probably wondering what is going on and why. And let's just say that in the next episode, it will be explained. So yeah, guys, I just filmed the rest of the episode last night, and I'm working on editing it now. So hopefully it will be up by next week, ? But I cannot guarantee because there are going to be some machinimas in it, so it's taking a little bit longer to edit. But yeah, I'm going to shut up now and let you guys enjoy the music. Bye. Oh wait, thumbs up, subscribe, comments, all that good stuff, period. Bye.